Hello and welcome, yogis. Our next exercise is one of my favorites, and it's the spinal twist. For this practice, we're going to bring our hands onto our shoulders with our fingertips in the front and our thumbs in the back. We're going to try to keep a straight line of perpendicular with the ground, or parallel with the ground rather. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be twisting our body from left to right. So a few things you want to keep aware of is that when we turn, you don't want to bring your arms together. We want to keep our chest open throughout this entire practice and keep this position while we twist. The head is going to join in the twist, so you're going to be glancing from left to right, but to avoid feeling dizzy, it's best to close the eyes and to bring your awareness again into the middle of your eyebrow. With all of our Kundalini Kriyas, we are always focusing on moving that energy up. And we can do this, we can support this by looking up into our Ajna chakra in between the third eye, or in between the eyebrows at the third eye. So another thing that I'm going to invite you to do for this practice is to add a mantra. A mantra that we often use and can use with almost every single Kundalini practice is the mantra Sat Nam. Sat Nam essentially means I am truth, or I rest in truth, and truth is within me. So as we say this mantra, it helps to connect with the divine truth that lives within us. And so what we can do for this Kriya is we can silently say that mantra in our head. We'll say Sat as we go to the left and Nam as we go to the right. And as we inhale, we'll go to the left and we exhale to the right. Same breath as before. And again, looking up and repeating that mantra, Sat Nam, to help you stay focused. So for this practice, we're twisting the spine, which is, twists in yoga are a great detoxifying element, like wringing out a rag that's full of water. We're wringing out our spinal cord to release and loosen up anything that's stuck. So we're going to do this Kriya for 1.5 minutes. So let's get started. Bringing the hands onto the shoulders. Once again, fingertips forward, thumbs to the back, closing down the eyes, and begin. Inhale to the left, exhale to the right. And again, start slow and pick up speed as you feel comfortable. Push through, keep going. That's it. Inhale completely and leave the arms where they're at. Hold the breath in, squeeze everything in and up. Exhale, release. Dropping the hands, palms face up on the knees. You can bring your first finger and your thumb to touch. And just rest, feel the awakening in the spinal column. Beautiful. Opening the eyes when you're ready. So thank you for joining me for this spinal twist. I invite you to do this practice every day to help open up the energy in your spine. You can do this practice anywhere between 1 to 3 minutes is recommended, or you can do it multiple times, taking a break in between. If you're ready for more practices, then join me in the next video for our next Kriya. See you soon.